In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out and switch accounts on the Remitly application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Remitly on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can find all of your recent transactions. Now, if you wish to log out from this account or switch into another account, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down and you will see the sign out button. Tap on this button and this will log you out from your account right away. Now, if you wish to log in to a different account, tap on sign in. This will then open up the login portal from which you can use your preferred new email address to log into. Alternatively, you can also log in with your Google account or your Apple account for a shortcut. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out and switch accounts on the Remitly app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.